Hey everyone, hope all of you are fine. So last time we learned about Python operators. Now in this video we are going to learn type and typecasting. So first of all, what is type? Type is actually a function and it is used to find the data type of a given variable in Python. So let me show you an example. First of all, I am going to assign a variable a is equal to 50. Now if I print it, then you'll see the value is 50. So what if you want to know what kind of data type this variable? So if you really want to know the data type of this variable, then you have to type function inside print and then put the given variable name inside this type function. As you can see, the type of this variable is actually a string, but this 50 is actually an integer number, but it doesn't matter. Whatever value you add inside a quotation, then it will be a string always. So now let's talk about typecasting. So what is typecasting? Typecasting is actually a way to convert a data type into another data type. Basically, let me comment it first. Basically, if I print a and if I add addition the plus 10, so if I print it like this, this is actually a string and this is a integer number. So if I want to actually sum both of these, then it will give me an error because of data type. As you can see, type error can only concatenate string, not int to string. Basically what it's saying, if you want to actually concatenate both of these, then it should be same data type. But in here, this is a string data type and this is a integer data type. So if you want to actually sum both of these, then you have to actually convert this data type into a integer, which means this is a typecasting. So if I add a is equal to, and if I want to convert this string into an integer, then I have to type int, and inside this int I have to put the variable name. This is actually typecasting, which means we are actually converting this data type into a integer data type. So if I print it now, then you will see the result is 60. So it's working perfectly. But if you want to actually print something like this 50 plus 10, then it will show the same result. So which means our typecasting is working perfectly. Let me show you another example. As you can see, we converted this string into an integer. But what if you want to actually convert this into a decimal number, which means a floating point number? Then you have to just type a is equal to float, and inside float just write the variable name. I'm going to just print the a variable, and if I show you, the result is 50.0, which means this is a decimal point number or floating point number. So and this is just a little bit example of a type and typecasting, because there are many functions to convert one data type to another data type. So you will learn everything in future, and until then, see you in the later.